So why do we have to create React Hub instances at the top of the component? It has to do with how React uniquely identifies multiple instances of the same hook. So here we have a simple component to the page. So we have two input elements here with some default input and corresponding labels here. So pretty simple. So if we go back to the code, we have the first name and last name that is captured in the two input fields being managed in separate instances of useState here. So the way React actually identifies each of these instances is through the order in which they are called. So the first instance manages the first name, so that is called first, and then the one that manages the last name. So based on the order in which they're called, React differentiates the two. And if we come a little bit down, we have a simple mapping here for the corresponding setters for the first name and last name. This mapping is actually used in the corresponding change event handler here, which captures the value from the event from the input element, and which is passed in as input to be set with this header call. So if we take an instance of the useState here and try to place it in the event handler here, you see we have a red squiggly line. So if we hover, we have the message saying that the React useState is called in function on partial name change. That is neither a React function component nor a custom React hook function. So that is kind of a rule for using React hooks, that you have to place them either in a component, functional component, or a custom hook. So the reason for that is, again, the order in which the hooks will be called, and thereby enable the React in differentiating the different instances. So with the change event handler here, there is no concrete order to which this useState is called, and it is tightly coupled to when the user changes or types in the input. So that makes it ambiguous for React to actually differentiate this particular instance of use. So for that reason, it is restricted to use instances of React hooks inside normal functions, and we have to place them at the top of the component. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, do consider giving it a like. And if you're interested in web development, software development, and other tech-related content, do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.